using Brevo for email marketing, automation, or customer communication? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to create a Brevo account from scratch. Whether you're starting a business, managing a website, or simply exploring the platform, this guide will help you get everything set up in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Brevo website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click the Sign Up Free button to begin creating your account. Next, enter your email address and create a secure password. It's a good idea to use a password with uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays protected. After that, continue to the next step. Brevo may ask you to verify your email address before your account becomes active. So open your inbox, find the verification email from Brevo, and click the confirmation link. If you don't see the email immediately, check your spam or promotions folder because it can sometimes end up there. Once your email has been verified, sign in if needed. Then complete your profile by entering details such as your name, company name, website, country, or the purpose of using Brevo. Just fill in the required information and continue. Depending on your account type, Brevo may also ask a few questions about your business or how you plan to use the platform. Answer these questions honestly since they'll help configure your account with the most appropriate settings. After the setup is finished, you'll arrive at the Brevo dashboard. From here you can manage contacts, create email campaigns, build automation workflows, design sign-up forms, and explore the platform's other marketing tools. Spend a little time getting familiar with everything before creating your first campaign, and that's it. You've successfully created your Brevo account in 2026. Now you're ready to start using its email marketing and automation features. If this guide was helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.